afternoon, jury. Good afternoon, my friends. We are from Apollo Ties. The group name is already available there. My leader is Mr. Dheeraj Sinha, and the team members are available there. We have taken the case of Allied Bank of India. If you look at the business challenges of any organization, the business growth is one of the important challenges that the people have to look at it. And if you look at the Allied as an organization, currently the running business do not have any major challenges. But looking at the growth plans that the organization has got, it has got multiple challenges to compete in the market, to compete with the competition, and also to come out with the innovative products and services that can satisfy the customer needs and wants. The first challenge, if you look at it, is the shrinking of the profit margins. Currently, even though they are running the products very well, the profit margin is coming out from the product to product. And also, how do I attract a customer? How do I acquire a customer? How do I retain the customer? These are the three things that one has to look at it to improve the business, to attain the high market share. And also, I need to do the customer demands. I need to understand what are the customer demands for a personal services. Unless I know the customer demands, I will not be able to personalize the services to them. And also, whatever the solutions that I'm offering to the customers should be a customer user friendly and should be at a ease of operation. And all this should come at the cost effective way. And all these have to lead to the super ambitious growth plan, which is in comparison with the dwarfs of the earlier fast growth. IT challenges, I don't want to distinguish IT challenges different from the business. IT challenges have to be aligned to the business. There are many more IT challenges that are there in the case that has been given, but we have picked up some challenges that are important, and we started looking at the GOI, goals, objectives, and initiatives. Look at the IT goals, then convert them into objectives, then come out with the initiatives. So look at this. How do I maintain the existing information systems? I need to maintain that. That means I have to create a reliable, flexible, secure, and scalable IT systems. High-end analytical system. Why it is required? The business needs to take a decision based on the available information from the plethora of systems that they have. Hence, I need to have the analytical platform, which will help the banking system to identify the customer needs and define and design the products accordingly. And also, to reduce the cost, we need to improve the productivity of the employees and at the same time, achieve the higher customer delight. And any banking organization, not to forget that de-risking of the business is very important. Hence, we need to have the regulatory compliance and security in place. Looking at the business service management, we have actually stick to all the 6 areas that have been given, and we are trying to map all these 6 areas to the business needs here. Why does business service management is required? It is to provide efficient and secure and reliable, predictable management of all IT systems that are there, and ensure that we give the higher uptimes to the end users. And the scope is that it has to cater to all the IT assets, including applications, hardware, and services, and across multiple locations, across all channels of delivery, across all business processes. Improve the e-availability significantly, proactive identification and issue resolution, provisioning and deprovisioning is also very important, and deployment of new services at a faster pace to align with the agility of the business growth is also one of the important aspects that has to be there. And improving planning and budgeting for the IT management is also a benefit that is coming out. And at the end of it, it is automate and
1 minute.
Standardize that. Cloud computing, business and private cloud is important to do the agility and faster response. And unified communication, if I am on the road, if somebody has to look at somebody has to service the customer, he has to know how it is. Hence, all the IT systems have to be connected and ensure that the communication passes to the right person. Data center transformation to improve the energy and to reduce the cost, and also to improve the high availability, we need to transform the data center to create the data center that is the latest technology and uses minimum energy. Machine to machine, obviously. So let me go back to innovation. Young, trendy energies. This is Facebook we can use. All consumers based on remote check, remote draft. Upward mobile, too many cards are available. Mobile banking can give one card to the customer so that this can be serving to all other bankings.
Time up.